Hello, I'm Dr. Charles Severance, also known online as Dr. Chuck. I am a professor at the University of Michigan School of Information. It's my pleasure to welcome you to a new educational experience with Python for Everybody, now available on the CodeKidz platform. Since its inception in 2014, Python for Everybody has been a starting point for many people eager to learn programming, and I'm excited to share this course with a new audience. Through CodeKidz, you'll find the courses enriched with interactive chats, quizzes, and online coding experiences, all aimed at reinforcing your learning experience. These features are designed to provide you with the essential and immediate feedback and hands-on practice, which are so important for mastering the fundamentals of Python. But there's more. CodeKidz introduces an innovative approach to learning with a virtual AI companion, inspired by my teaching style to offer you personalized guidance throughout the course. This virtual Dr. Chuck is there to support you as you navigate through the curriculum, ensuring that help is always at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or looking to solidify your programming skills, Python for Everybody on CodeKidz is structured to provide a comprehensive and accessible pathway into the world of coding. I am delighted to be part of your learning journey and look forward to seeing the remarkable ways you will apply these skills. Welcome to the course.